Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead from Guaranty RV here in Junction City. Really excited to show you this trailer. It is short but big on the inside. You have got so much space in there. It's really a perfect couples trailer. It's a 243 rear bath. And I'm going to show you a little bit on the inside, but before we do, I'm going to just let you know it does have a power tongue jack, LED lights inside and out, 2 big propane tanks, so you can really go out and go camping without having to stop and refill your tanks. Look at that big, huge space. You got plenty of room to bring extra camping gear, all of your lawn chairs and whatnot, outdoor speakers, power awning. People are really loving these solid steps. We're seeing them more and more, and I want to show you how these work, because I think it's really neat. Instead of bouncing down the steps, they're solid and they're adjustable. And all you really have to do, like an airplane, is just pick them up, put them in place just like that. They lock into place, and then you just pull this handle and they come right back down just like that, nice and easy. And then you are safe and secure as you exit and enter the trailer. So one of the things I'm going to show you first is this entertainment area, because it's really special. One of the things that people are always asking me is, boy, in a smaller trailer, how can I have enough storage? Because I like to bring a lot of stuff with me. Well, in this case, you could bring your whole DVD collection. You've got all kinds of storage here. You've got storage down under here as well. Storage up top. So if you're into entertainment, or if you just want to throw your Oreos up there and keep them out of reach of the little ones, whatever, that works. Nice TV, your DVD player, all of this sound is already installed, your speakers, everything, even outside you have speakers. This comes with a beautiful electric fireplace. When you're plugged into shore power, you can heat this with the fireplace. It's beautiful and actually does produce very good heat. And that way, if you're paying to park somewhere, you're not paying, you know, to heat this thing with your propane. You can use their electricity, which is nice. Check it out this. They put storage everywhere. You got storage down here. A lot of storage toward the back. We'll look at that in a minute. But check out this bedroom behind a door, very private, a wonderful bedroom, plenty of room for all your hanging clothes, extra storage overhead, plug-ins, USB controllers, extra storage inside the bed. Moving right along, you'll see we've got a nice sofa. I think it's really fantastic to have a comfortable place to be beyond the dinette in the bedroom if possible. And you definitely have that here. This also makes out into a bed as well, so you can sleep a few extra people here. The dinette is nice size. I'm a big guy. I have no problem at all fitting in this dinette, better than the Sherry's, right? And check it out, this makes into a bed as well. So you can actually sleep 6 people in this trailer, which is really helpful if you have a big family or like to take guests. And look at all this space for food, pots and pans, everything that you would need. Just a nice set of cabinets here. You're also going to notice that there is a nice microwave with the 3-burner stove and oven. You've got the double sink with a sprayer. You've got a nice Norcold fridge and freezer. Plenty of space for everything you need. And check out this bathroom. No shower curtain here. You've got a really nice surround, skylight up overhead for tall people. This would be an amazing trailer for you. One thing I was going to tell you also, it's got the starlight system, so it all lights up in blue outside at nighttime. Bugs don't like blue, and we don't like bugs that much, so it works out nice. Anyway, we would love to show you this trailer, or we've got several floor plans. I'm sure we have the right one for you if this isn't exactly right. And I would love an opportunity to earn your business. My name is Chris Bystead. Give me a call, 541-636-7878.